Hey, what's up? It's me. I'm here at the Khao Phnam Thong National Park, and after a night of interesting events, yesterday was full of hitchhiking, bartering attempts, and makeshift medical evacuation. And the reason that I bring that up is because of the topic that I want to bring up is solution-oriented versus problem-oriented thinking. So basically, what does that mean? Obviously, solution-oriented is being oriented towards a solution, thinking about the solution to the problem, and problem is focusing on all the complaints. One thing that I loved about traveling with the people that I'm traveling with, not a lot of complaints from pretty much everybody. Nobody really complained, lots of high energy, and it really helped to create a great attitude that allowed us to stay positive even when it looked like it was going to be really tough. So there's lots of ways you can see problems as opposed to solutions, but the challenge falls onto you to find out, to think about what you need to do to change that attitude from negative to positive. It was raining in the middle of on our way to a waterfall, and we didn't actually get to the waterfall, but I loved the people that I was with because instead of complaining, and I have a little battery here, so I'm just trying to make it go as much as I can. Oh well. Instead of complaining and saying, oh, we're not going to make the waterfall, dang, it's so sad, like, oh, why did that person have to get hurt? No, instead we said, oh wait, we're actually in a waterfall because it's technically water's falling, so it works, which I thought was really cool. We've had to hitch. We were charged $2,000 baht to get here, and we just thought that was too much. So we said, you know what, screw it, we're gonna figure it out anyway, and just on a whim, just decided to start walking up that road. Thank God, we got picked up once, taken to a farm twice, brought pretty close, and then the last time all the way straight up. We met the South African guy. He showed us around, helped us with some medical advice as well. We carried the girl who got injured, sprained her ankle on like bamboo things. They use it as a stretcher. It was actually really great because it kind of brought us, I think, a little bit closer and just kind of towards a common goal. And on top of that, one of the best parts that I enjoyed was the fact that nobody took out their phones while we were coming out of that evacuation situation, which was great. I personally enjoyed that because I feel like we're in a world now where everybody has to take out their phone for everything, and that can be kind of annoying when you're trying to be present with somebody. But everybody was present, everybody was focused towards the intention of helping her get all the way out of the canyon. Nobody was really bummed about not getting to the waterfall. That bum literally lasted 2 seconds. But yeah, even she like, she was a little sad and she got over it, and then boom. And she was like, I forget, she said, it's like, I can't wait for hot tubs when I get home or something like that, which is great. It's an attitude that we want to see and to have when we're in that kind of a situation. In Bangkok, you can say like, oh, the traffic is terrible. You can say like people try to screw you. You can, it's hot. There's so many ways, but there's solutions. You can sleep lower to the ground. It's cooler in your room, lower to the ground. Traffic, learn to meditate. Learn appreciate. You can appreciate the air conditioning while you're waiting in traffic. There's so many solutions to these little problems that people just let sit with them and then block them from what they want. Or from how they want to be, which in my mind should ideally be true enjoyment as opposed to constant complaint, I think. But yeah. Anyway, so solution-oriented versus problem-oriented thinking. That's kind of just the idea that I wanted to bring up just now. I hope I wasn't too close to this. Hope you guys got a good view of that. But yeah, welcome to the sunrise in Khao Phnam Thong Park, I believe, in Phetchaburi province, as far as I'm concerned. Yeah, so we're cracking out, heading home today, and should be a beautiful one. Enjoy the view.